everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to take care of the skin. I'm going to be making an anti-aging facial moisturizer. Now, why do you need an anti-aging facial moisturizer? An anti-aging facial moisturizer is loaded with ingredients that are known to help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Not only that, an anti-aging moisturizer have hydrating properties, moisturizing properties that can help your skin to look years younger. Now, these ingredients are rich in vitamin A, and vitamin A works on the skin to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E also contains electrolytes that help to lock moisture in the skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you how you can make an anti-aging DIY moisturizer at home. A simple moisturizer, but it's jam-packed with all these nutrients that you need for your skin. So if you're interested to boost collagen and elastin, lift those cheekbones, get rid of the sagging jawline, get rid of the forehead wrinkles, and also clear hyperpigmentation and give that skin a more youthful appearance, this video is for you, so continue watching. Before I jump in the kitchen, however, if this is your first time watching and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it. It's easy as that. You're subscribed. Another thing on your screen, you might notice an bag. That handbag is a view products link. So if you click on that handbag, it's going to take you to some of the products that we use in this recipe. Not only that, we are also going to link some anti-aging products from the Khichi Beauty skincare collection, like our Supreme Anti-Aging collection and our Ultra Luminous collection. Not to mention, we will list some collagen and retinol cream also. So you can go ahead and you can shop. So thank you so much. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So to make our anti-aging moisturizer, we're going to start off with a carrier oil. A carrier oil is an oil that is able to dilute other more highly concentrated oil. So my first ingredient is going to be some jojoba oil. And jojoba oil is often referred to as nature moisturizer for its ability to mimic the skin sebum. Jojoba oil is rich in vitamins and minerals that help the skin to look healthy and give the skin a natural glow. It contains vitamin E and also B complex. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. And not only that, guys, it is good for your hair, your face, your skin, and body. So I'm going to start out with 2 teaspoons of the jojoba oil. My next oil is going to be some aloe vera oil, and aloe vera oil is a light oil. It helps to hydrate the skin, and it also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Aloe vera oil is effective in managing acne and it has anti-aging properties. So what I'm going to use is about a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil, pouring this in the jojoba oil. So now here in our bowl, we have some jojoba oil and some aloe vera oil. Now we are going to use some vitamin E oil in this, which help to nourish the skin, also help to hydrate the skin. And you're going to find vitamin E oil in most of your skincare products. So I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. This vitamin E oil is 35,000 IU. The higher the IU, the less you use in your skincare products. So now we are mixing 3 oils: jojoba oil, aloe vera oil, and vitamin E oil together. Now we're not going to stop there, guys. We're going to move on. So we are going to reach for some aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel helps to clear hyperpigmentation, reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It has antibacterial properties and it's great for all skin type. So we are going to use about, let's start out with a teaspoon. Shake this in, 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel, and now we are going to be mixing it in. We're making a quick and easy anti-aging facial moisturizer, a natural moisturizer that anyone can whip up in their kitchen. So we are blending all the ingredients and we are blending well. Now guys, Once you finish blending this creamy goodness together, I am going to be reaching for some honey. And today I'm using some raw organic honey. And believe it or not, guys, my honey is looking like this, totally sleeping. However, I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the honey. So I'm just going to place my whisk in there and hopefully I'm pulling up. Yes, this about is good. Run about a half a teaspoon of the honey. And let's just scrape this in. Honey is a humectant that locks moisture in the skin. So for an anti-aging moisturizer, adding a little honey to the moisturizer is going to protect the skin and keep that moisture in the skin, making your skin soft, supple, hydrated, and give you that kind of a glass-like appearance. So now we are going to totally dissolve the honey in the mixture. Now here's a little trick, guys, which I didn't do today, but did you know that you can put your honey in the microwave and, give it about a 30-second or so, and it's going to wake your honey up so it's back to its natural runny state. So for a recipe like this, you can go ahead and do that, and this way it will not take you a long time to blend the honey in your facial moisturizer. Now, take a look at this goodness, this creamy facial moisturizer, a quick and easy facial moisturizer that anyone can whip up in their kitchen. And now our moisturizer is ready. I like to set this aside for a couple of hours so that all the ingredients can just totally infuse, and just put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then the next day it is ready to use on the skin. Now, to use this moisturizer on the skin, you do not need a lot, just 1 to 2 drops on your skin like I'm showing here, and then you are just going to massage it on your skin. Massage it in circular motion, and this is good to use AM and PM on the skin. A natural moisturizer that you can try at home. Aloe vera help to clear hyperpigmentation and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Honey help to lock the moisture in the skin and also moisturize the skin. Jojoba oil help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin. The vitamin E oil help to preserve this and also keep your skin hydrated. The pomegranate seed oil that we use in this is rich in vitamin C, so the aloe vera gel, the aloe vera oil that we use in this help to lock moisture. Aloe vera oil that we use in this seep into the pores and keep your skin looking fresh, radiant with a natural glow. So here it is, guys. Let me reach for a small jar, and we're just gonna pour this in. Let's go ahead and pour. Make sure to get everything out. A quick and easy DIY facial moisturizer. Remember to store this in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. And there you have it, a quick and easy natural DIY facial moisturizer that you can whip up in the comfort of your home. Go ahead, whip it up, use it up, and come back and leave a comment. Before you go, don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like, and I also, guys, like you to watch another video. So we're going to leave 2 more right here, somewhere here for you to watch, and don't forget to click on that little hand bag. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.